This is how I turned $5 into 49,105 US dollars. Yep, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it right. I turned $5 into a whole lot in a period of about less than 4 months. So as you can see right over here, I'm using PolyCool app, which is a very interesting copy trading app. So if you guys really want to reciprocate my success, all you have to do is follow me on PolyCool app and mirror my trades. So all the trades that I'm going to be doing, you guys are going to have access to it if you join the link in the description. So yeah, I thought I needed to let you guys know on how you can basically get to win, especially when it comes to Polymarket trading. So take a look at this. Precisely 4 months ago, I told you that I was going to turn $5 into $1,000, but I obviously over exceeded my expectations because all the trades are going on pretty well. And this is one of the reasons why I want to discuss what we are going to be talking about in today's episode. So first of all, I'm going to be giving you daily breakdowns each and every single day, and this is one of the reasons why you have to hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I am going to be giving you the gist. So taking a look at the BTC up and down market today, we have roughly around 9 hours till this time frame ends, and the people who are trading in my group are obviously making a killing because we predicted this price drop. And I want to give you some basic technical analysis in case you guys are going to be trading the BTC up and down market. So what are we supposed to be expecting in the next coming few 24 hours? To be honest with you, I am all about aggressive shorts right now. So I'm looking for opportunities in the markets where I can literally find shorting opportunities. So what does this entail? By the way, I really hope that you guys are familiar with technical analysis, because what I'm going to be talking about is for advanced traders, the traders who understand what they are doing. This is not for the newbies and people who are just getting into trading, because you are literally going to get wrecked. So take a look at this. First of all, let's take a look at the highest time frame. We had this amazing parabolic rise right over here. So the price went from around 65 and it pushed all the way to 82,000 US dollars, and we sort of hit these levels. And this is one of the reasons why I really believe that now is going to be some sort of push back towards these lows right over here. There's trading liquidity right there. There's also another trading liquidity. However, we do have a possibility that if we see bullish momentum, right, by the way, we're still on the daily time frame, we could end up coming back to retest this area. But I highly doubt, this is only going to be a probability if we see very high buying pressure, like we see big upward candles that are showing aggressive move towards the upside, and then this could definitely be a potential play where we get to tap into this liquidity. However, we still do have a lot of imbalance from this daily candle right over here, from around 84,000 US dollars all the way to 87. So we haven't really necessarily tapped into this imbalance, which is right over here. And as you guys already know, right, the markets finds a way to fill out the imbalance, and this is how we find trading equilibrium in the market. So this is one of the reasons why there is a possibility that we could have some push towards the upside and take out this liquidity right over here at 90,900, close to 91,000 US dollars. So that is a probability. However, I'm not really going to lean much into that probability, because as it stands, the odds are tilting towards the downside, and this is one of the reasons why I am strictly concentrating on this upward thrust right over here. This particular candle is a telltale sign for me that okay, the aggressiveness is going to continue towards the downside, and these are the types of market conditions that I really enjoy. And by the way, do you see anything familiar with this candle that we had yesterday, or rather the past 24-hour candle? This candle is very similar to this candle that we had. And from this particular point, right, we saw the prices aggressively push down, and this is one of the reasons why I am expecting aggressive downward momentum. However, what we're supposed to be trading with right now is this particular range. So let me just highlight it for you. So between that level all the way to this level, this is our trading range between 74,000 and 77,000. So forget about everything else. In case you guys have analysis paralysis, in case you want to get anything from me, especially if you are going to be trading between now and, by the way, today is the 27th of May 2026. So yeah, between now and the next 48 hours, this is your trading range. If the price comes to 74,000 and rebounds, you already know what to do. You have to put in those longs, and the yes shares are going to be popping. But from now till then, we have to rely on aggressive shorts. So a lot of you might be wondering, hey, how am I going to be entering? Okay, I know the gameplay is okay. We're supposed to sort of short the markets and just basically bet on down shares and all that good stuff. So how am I supposed to now figure out a precise entry? It's simple. All you have to do is go down to a smaller time frame. For example, we are seeing the 15-minute push up right now. So we just basically look at the liquidity zones that we are facing. So we have 76. It is a possibility. We have also this one here, 75,700. So it just depends on what time frame you're going to be trading. So if you are going to be trading the, let's say for example, 4-hour time frame, you can literally get into any market and just basically choose which play you're going to get into. But right now, since the move has already happened, I would trade the lesser time frame periods, like the 1 hour, the 15 minutes, and this is basically how you sort of get to manipulate and make the most out of Polymarket. So there is actually a science to this madness. And, the more you guys are going to be watching my videos, the more you're going to realize that, okay, this guy knows what he's talking about. So let's make money together. Let's succeed together. So observe what I'm going to be doing on my YouTube channel. And hopefully, if you benefit, then you can, potentially reach out to me. My email is always in the description box below. So remember what we talked about in case you guys really want to end up doing very well. You can always check me out on PolyCool app. It's a Telegram app, and you can also see a lot of great information about a lot of traders who are doing different stuff. So you can literally follow any trader and set up notifications and just basically be able to keep in tune with the top traders and people who you can learn from. So as you can see, the copy trading mechanism is absolutely stellar, and this is a very fast copy trading bot because the latency is between 0 to about 2 seconds. So you are literally going to be moving in with the top dogs, and check out the link in the description, and you guys are going to be able to follow me and do exactly as I do while you chill and let the money make money on your behalf. So yeah, check out PolyCool, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit later.